Summer is creeping up on us. Let's cool off with the Frosty Island treat, Frozen Treat Set. This recipe might look familiar. It consists of heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, regular milk, salt, and blue drink mix. Now, I like raspberry lemonade Kool-Aid, but any blue drink mix is going to work here. Alright, first combine your condensed milk, your regular milk, salt, and drink mix. Mix it really good, and I mean really good. You'll know it's done when your mixture is thick, because that's the citric acid reacting with the milk. This is good. Set it aside. Now it's time to whip your cream. I'm doing this by hand, but you can use a stand mixer if you want. But when it comes to small amounts like this, I just do it by hand. I don't mind the workout. Should look like this. Nice. Now spoon a little bit of your whipped cream into your condensed milk mixture. And then add the whole business back into the cream and fold it carefully. At this point, you can add 1 drop of blue gel food color to make the color more vibrant, but you certainly don't need it. Alright, now we're going to spoon this into our pop mold. I like this one because I can slap it down so that it fills the cavities really good. Once it's filled, cover and freeze it for about 20 minutes. Then you can slide in the sticks. Alright, now we're going to freeze these popsicles for 2 to 4 hours or until they're frozen solid. Then you can unmold them and eat them. Or, you can pop them on an ice block and you can decorate a room. Although I should mention that unlike the in-game item, these are going to melt eventually and make a big mess, and all your time will be wasted, so don't do that. Time to try a bite. I love these because they're nice and creamy. Frozen treat set is yummy! Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more Animal Crossing treats, check out this playlist. In the meantime, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching again. See you next time. Bye!